For the second day in a row, more than 100 Palestinians have been killed by Israeli forces in Gaza. On Sunday, 92 of the dead were shot while trying to get food. There had been reports that 40 trucks carrying flour would be allowed through the Zikim crossing in the north of the Strip. Large crowds gathered waiting for the aid to come through. Instead, many left empty-handed, carrying the dead and injured back with them. At least 79 people were killed in that attack alone.
There were no ambulances, nothing. We saw this young man lying on the ground, and we were the ones who carried him on the bicycle. We were trying to get him to help, but there's nothing. There are no ambulances, no food, no life, no way to live anymore. We're barely hanging on.
We brought this old man from Zikim. He went just to get some flour. There's no medical help, nothing at all. I tried to save him on the bicycle. I don't even want the flour anymore. He's like my father, this old man. May God give me the strength to do good, and may this hardship not last much longer.
Well, the World Food Programme has released a statement on the Zikim border attack. The statement reads, beyond the Zikim crossing point into Gaza, the food convoy encountered large crowds of civilians anxiously waiting to access desperately needed food supplies. As the convoy approached, the surrounding crowd came under fire from Israeli tanks, snipers and other gunfire. The statement continues, Gaza's hunger crisis has reached new levels of desperation. People are dying from a lack of humanitarian assistance. Malnutrition is surging, with 90,000 women and children in urgent need of treatment. Nearly 1 person in 3 is not eating for days. A number of the wounded from these Zikim attacks were taken to al-Shifa hospital in Gaza City. Al Jazeera's Moath al-Kahlout was there when they arrived.
We are currently at al-Shifa medical complex, where a large number of killed people arrived here on carts as the Israeli army opened fire directly at them while they are waiting for food near Zikim corridor. And this is another death trap. This is not GHF, this is another death trap in the northern Gaza Strip. At the moment, people and hungry families who send their sons to get a bag of flour are trying to identify their sons as they were killed while they are waiting for food near Zikim corridor. So the situation is real chaotic at al-Shifa medical complex and in another hospitals, as a large number of killed people arriving to health facilities in al-Shifa medical complex and also in the Sheikh Radwan clinic and many health facilities, along with a huge number of injured people. The biggest problem here, as people describe, which is there is no any medical supplies to treat all of those injured who just arrived to these health facilities. So it is a really hard situation at the moment. So the Israeli army this morning allowed a huge amount of flour to enter Gaza Strip. People went to get some bag of flours and a large number of them returned to the hospitals as injured and killed people. Moath, al-Kahlout, Al Jazeera, from al-Shifa medical complex, Palestine.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.